Hello kids, now we learn counting number 1 from 10 with your favorite colors. Let's get started.
1 ONE 1 2 TWO 2 3 THREE 3 4 FOUR 4 5 FIVE 5 6 SIX 6 7 SEVEN 7 8 EIGHT 8 9 NINE 9 and 10 TEN 10. Let's again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.